Welcome guys back to the course, and congratulations on completing the first section of this course and creating this simple nice layout. So in this lecture I will talk about creating the database and the tables for this project. So we have to actually create only 5 tables for this project, and we will also create a database which name will be social network, and the tables we need for this project are these 5. One table will be about the users, one will be about topics, and then about posts, messages and comments, because we are not going to create any friends system or anything like that. So I want to keep this social network or this discussion form as simple as possible, because this is just for educational purpose. So let's go and create the database in tables. So you can access the phpMyAdmin, which is for creating databases, just by writing localhost /phpMyAdmin and just enter or click. So you will see this interface. This is by default installed with the XAMPP software, so you can actually create a database here and manage all the databases here. Now this is very nice interface. Just you need to click the databases and we will create a new database, which will be social underscore network. Social underscore network. Just click create. Here you can see social underscore network has been created in the left sidebar. Click it. You can see no tables found in database, so there is no folder tables in this database, but we can create. So the first one will be about users. 11 columns will be there for this table, so we'll just say go. Now we'll say user underscore ID, the names of all the fields, the 11 fields that we will actually add the data to this. So the next will be user underscore name. This will be user underscore pass. The third will be user email. The next will be user underscore, let me check the form. Basically user country. The next one will be user is equal to gender, and user image as well. Sorry, user birthday first, user p underscore day, user birthday and user image. And the next thing will be about register underscore date and last login and status. Status, that whether the user has verified their account or not, because we will use some email verification steps for this project. So I have added these all things. If we need any more columns or any more data, we can add that later to this table. So for now it is okay, fine. The first user ID will be integer. Its type will be integer. Length or value will be nothing, because we want to keep this unlimited, but we will say auto increment. A underscore I means auto increment, so every record we receive in this table will be automatically incremented. The ID will be automatically incremented, and we will assign the primary key to this first user ID, because the primary key will make it just the same other ID will not be inserted into this table. And the next for the username, the type will be varchar, or password will also be various characters. Varchar mean various characters for this as well. And for birthday we will say this will be simply date, and for image we'll say text, and for registered date we will say date, and for last login will also be date, and status will be text. and we can say this will be length will be 100 characters, 100. Birthday we will not add anything, this will be also 100 characters, and to the last one 100 characters. That's it. Now just come here, click this save button here, name users, incorrect table name users. Why? Oh sorry, there is a space. I added a space, so I removed that. Now click save, and it has been added to the social network. You can see here user, and if we click the structure of this table, that is like user ID, username, user pass, email, country, and things like that. We can add one more user image as well. We can add one more column after this status. We can add one more, which will be about posts. So this user has post or not. That's simple. We'll check that the user has post or not. I mean, if he has posted anything to our social network, then we can check that as well. So these all are for the users. I mean, when they will register on this website, so we will save or store their information inside this table, which is users. And the other tables we will create later on. I mean the topics. Okay, the topics I can create, but this other one, I mean posts, messages, and comments, these I will create when we will be working, and I mean the main website, when the person will log into this to their account, so we will then create the other tables. But right now I will click this social network database, and then here I will create another database, another table, which name will be topics, and I will add the number of columns will be 2. The first will be topic ID integer and topic underscore title. This will be text and value will be 100. The first one will be auto incremented, and primary key. That's it. Save it. Now we have created 2 tables, topics and users, and the next video we'll come back and we'll start working on this registration form. First of all, we will validate it, and then we will use the PHP script to insert data from this, I mean from this form to this table that we have created here, which is users, this one basically. So see you in the next lecture.